So let's see what I have brought in the name of healthy cookware. Previously I used to use non-stick cookware, but later on with lot of research and reading I came to know it is the most unhealthiest food I can offer to my family. So one fine day I decided to switch my cookware. So let's see. I usually buy from Prestige outlet and now they are into some exchange offer. So I thought this is the right time so that I can replace my cookware with the healthier cookware. So my existing cookware I will just give you a look first. So let me introduce to my pan. This was also brought in Prestige outlet over repeated use. You can see all the Teflon coating or non-stick coating has gone, and with whatever we use, whatever food we cook, we clean it. So gradually this is the condition. However clean you scrape and cook it, this is the condition. So whatever was applied to this layer of the cookware goes into your family's stomach, sorry to say, which is very unhealthy. So I was little disappointed with this, but didn't have much option those days and no information. So this was my stir frying vegetable and all pan. So this one I replaced with what? Let me show you. Introducing my new cast iron frying pan. You can fry a lot of vegetables in this, and you can just have a look at this leaflet. I slowly removed. You can see benefits of cast iron cooking. We all know it adds iron to our food. It retains flavors. It is of course chemical free, as it does not have any additional non-stick coating or something, but it is also naturally non-stick. It retains heat for long, so our food will stay hot for longer. So it also maintains even heat distribution and compatible with all heat sources. Heavy gauge lasts for generations. So have you heard that it is 1 year warranty, 3 year warranty, 5 year warranty? We have seen on the cookware till now, but can you see here? It is lasts for generations. I would happily pass this healthy cookware to my children and grandchildren. So I will be frying all my stir fry vegetables and any uttapam or something, like anything you can make in this. It's pretty heavy, so the cleaning and all care has been given on the box. I will just show you. So this is the box of this kadai frying pan, so you can stir fry vegetables. So it is enough big. Okay, so you have lifetime warranty. The best part is this, and it is naturally healthy. Here you can see it is now India's #1 kitchen appliance brand. A Prestige is now into manufacturing of cast iron. So I could only find this pan. I also wanted to buy grill pan and kadai, but I could find only this product there. So I did no delay in picking up. Of course I was waiting for this. So we have known that cast iron, of course we could cook on the gas stove, but I was surprised to see this. It is gas induction compatible, so both you can use. So, and they have given, best part is, lifetime warranty. So a must have in your kitchen, I can say. So you can see the thickness also, 250 mm diameter. It is pretty big. For a family of 6 also you can cook easily. So must have in your kitchen. So earlier, apart from this, I have 2 cast iron collections now. So in my forthcoming videos, in which I'm showing all sort of cooking, so you can also see this, my favorite. My friend Pratibha had helped me get it from Mangaluru. She brought it all the way from Mangaluru for me, as I was longing for this kind of like cast iron dosa tawa. The dosas made on this tawa are so flavorful, trust me. You can feel the difference in dosas made on non-stick cookware and cast iron. You You can also mention in the comment section when you cook any food in this, like any uttapam, dosa or roti on this, and you cook on the non-stick tawa, you will definitely feel the change in flavor of the food. And this is definitely healthy. Also, I'm going to pass this to my forthcoming generation. So I have 2 of this, which I'm really happy to have in my kitchen. I will also like to I will mention about the cleaning. Just you have to clean it with a mild soap detergent. It is pre-seasoned so that it is easy for cooking. So that tawa, it was said to be seasoned, but it didn't come from a well-known source. So I made sure that I soaked it in 24 hours water with palak in it, and then I took it out and I coated with coconut oil. Then I started using it on low flame initially. So it was all good to go. Now I'm using that dosa pan since around, I think I can say 8 years. It is still in very much good condition as usual. How it was bought, still it was the same. So the maintenance of this tawa also would be same. You have to just smear it with light oil on a low flame and start cooking. And washing is with mild detergent. You don't have to scrub much. I had this hard ionized tawa from induction compatible hard ionized tawa from Prestige, which I brought few years ago. See here, it is very thick and nice with a granite coating it was, but over the years we daily have rotis at home. So gradually you can see the cleaning process and all, however nicely you do, the overall coating will go away, and whatever is scraped, it will go into our stomach, which is the bad part, and the carbon keeps coming from the sides here and all. So I had to literally scrape it out through the whatever utensils, sharp utensils, and then clean it. But still I felt somehow it is unhealthy. So the time for changing this game. We can also cook roti on the dosa tawa I showed you, which I have. Or else, if you are not in a mood to use something heavy and something quick fix, where you are making pulkas or something, you need to quickly lift up something, I have a healthy option which I also brought from Prestige. So I am showing you that. So presenting my new steel tawa. It doesn't have any non-stick coating. You can see it is so crystal clear. I wish over the years also. And it has a handle, very safe to use, it won't heat up, and as I can say, it has a lifetime warranty again. See, this is not cast iron, sorry, this one, yeah. So it ensures even heat distribution, strong and durable, gas and induction. Of course, why? This is a tri-ply spender. Why tri-ply? I'll explain you. See the bottom of the vessel, it is coated with steel. Okay, you can see made in India, TTK Prestige. And since it is steel, you can use an induction stove as well. And if you turn, this is also steel, and in between there are thick 3 layers of aluminium for even heat distribution. As you know, aluminium is very good conductor of electricity, of heat. So they have used in this cookware, but it is not good for cooking. So we have a thick layer of steel here on which we'll be cooking our rotis. This is very beautiful, but still I will prefer my cast iron tawa over this. So this is also one of the healthy option after cast iron. I brought my steel tawa in exchange for this tawa. Okay. So this is the cover which shows the care instructions, and it was covering which came with the tawa. This is like gas and induction stove compatible. See here, stainless steel cookware. This comes under this category. Okay. So I just try to highlight this. There is aluminium layer between 2 layers of steel that ensures even heat distribution, but no hot spots on the cooking surface. So this is not the aluminium on the top. The top layer is purely steel. steel. We know aluminium vessels are very bad for cooking purpose. So next to cast iron and mitti ke button, you can always go for this. So we have permacool handles also, as I have told, that ensures the safety of your hand, and both layer steel, so it is gas and induction stove compatible. So you can wash it as any steel vessel. So very easy to care and easy to lift also. It is lighter compared to the cast iron. Now let me show you my, again this was also brought from Prestige. I believed in the brand before also because of the thick and quality vessels. Handles and all are good, but see the inner layer which bothers me the most. The inner layer keeps on scraping with every time we make food, either it goes in washing or in our stomach, in our family's stomach, which is not really good. So I always wanted a solution for this. I ordered mud pots, mud cooking ware from Amazon. I will show you that. So this is my mud pot. It can be used for cooking purpose, but this is pretty small, like for dal for 3 people or family of 4. It can be made. See, I have soaked in 1 full day in water. Now I need to smear it with oil before cooking it on low flame. So in my next videos you may see me cooking in this. Let me see how durable it can be. Of course it is made with mud, so for rough use or quick cooking we can't use, of course, but this is the most healthiest because it adds minerals to our food, natural minerals. Also along with this, along with this I brought this clay pot for curd setting. See here, it's so pretty. It's made of terracotta. So I have washed and lightly, and I have kept it in water. Now still you can see the ash content. So what I have to do is I have to smear it with oil, coconut oil, edible coconut oil, and leave it for some more time before I start washing it and using it for curd setting. So these two are my mud collection, mud cookware collection. I can see this I can't use for cooking, it is for curd setting, but this I can use for cooking. I got very nice reviews on Amazon, so let's see how it comes out. But definitely I can say I'm a proud owner of 2 mud pots. So for kadai, as I told, this is very small. Dal, cooking and all I can make in that for one time. See here, this is the new steel kadai. No Teflon coating or no non-stick coating is there. It's purely steel. It is thick and it has a glass lid where I can check my cooking, how nicely my food is cooking inside. And it is again induction compatible. Prestige Platina brand. It is very new. Let me show you. So this is the cover of the kadai. You can see here it is 240 millimeter or 2.8 liters. So we can cook a lot of, we can cook poha, or if you have to cook chole, rajma and all, this is really good to go. And this is the Prestige Platina collection. So you have forged bottom, which is compatible with gas and induction stove, and it is proudly an Indian product under the stainless steel cookware like our tawa. So this also, I was very happy to buy this. I also am waiting for cast iron kadai and grill pan. Once they are coming there, I am definitely going to grab them. So here, designed for a lifetime cooking, which makes us more happier as customers. Any woman would like to cherish their cookware, and when we buy, we should have that happiness. Yes, we are giving something good for the family. Earlier I was not very sure. I used to buy it, used to look very good in the Prestige outlet, and then with time, every time I used, the non-stick coating used to go slowly. However, handle and care instructions I followed, but later on the condition was like this. So I'm wishing the steel will remain steel, so there is no need of worrying that the Teflon or non-stick coating is going away. And it is also It is also coming with a heat resistant handles like this, so very easy to cook and monitor. Cook and serve bowl, I can say, must have in your kitchen. It's also under exchange offer I got with some offer, so this is the one I bought. When I'm speaking about the exchange offer, earlier I had that white same 750 watts ka mixie. I got it under exchange. This is some 8K plus. I got in 5K plus. So it comes with this. Let me show you. This is lock fix handles. Very nice. Very sturdy it is. The design I liked a lot. It's very sleeky design. And if you lock and put, that's it. No need of hooks and all. It's all self-locking. It comes with the juicer. Here you can see the small holes. So any fruit you want to make juice of, all you have to do is remove this lid. This is a cup to ensure it's not coming out. You have to put inside the pieces of the fruit. Fix it like this with the mesh downward, and then put this cup intact, then fix it, and you are good to go. You will be seeing me using this in my future videos. So this is very beautiful red and grey, my favorite, one of my favorite combination. It's very sleeky design. So it came with a dry grinder, spice grinder. It's pretty big compared to my earlier mixie, and this is the white grinder. Although I have my ultra white grinder here, which comes with a granite stone. I believe the batter made in this is very tasty compared to this. So earlier we used to use this to make our idli dosa batter. See how sturdy it is. It comes like plates like this. So this was good, but when a soaked grain is cut with this blade, the batter tastes different 100%, and when it is crushed with the stones, the conical stones which comes with this ultra grinder, this is really tasty. It comes like a vanilla ice cream when you bring in this. So it's a must buy for every household which are into idli dosa cooking. So this is a must have in your kitchen. So these were few of the items I got into Prestige. Coming back to this, so if you are tired of your old mixie, definitely go for this mixer grinder. 750 watts, very heavy duty it is. Okay, and it is Prestige Ultima Plus 750 watt, which comes with the juicer, dry grinder, spice grinder, wet grinder, and a chutney jar. Of course, must go is this steel ka kadai, cook and serve bowl, beautiful steel ka tawa, and my favorite cast iron tawa. Pretty long video, but I feel instead of telling replace the plastics in your kitchen, replace the non-stick cooker in your kitchen, but what to buy, we have some option in the exchange offer. So go grab your stuff at Prestige outlets. So I stay in Jaipur, so we have one outlet here in Amruthalli where currently this exchange offer is going on, and one is there in Sakar Nagar, which is nearby for us. So you can definitely go and buy. And these mud pots you can buy on Amazon. Definitely you can just see, but the size of this is small. For family of 4, one time dal cooking is fine, but if you want bigger, definitely go for a bigger version. So thank you viewers for watching this. I hope it gives a lot of light on what to buy, how to buy, some idea when you go for exchange offer, and get rid of your old worn out kadais and pans and tawas and get these healthier alternatives for them. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.